everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I have an early Christmas gift that I got and I have to share it with you guys. This is a piece that I've been wanting. I've been wanting pieces from the Christmas animation, and when I saw this 2019 collection, I was so excited because I have been wanting a beautiful, the little round coin zip purse, and this one was just the perfect one. I saw it. I liked the one from last year, but I wasn't like, oh, I have to have it. And when I saw this one this year, I had to have this year's. So without further ado, you guys, if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is what my pieces came in. I was hoping to get that really pretty bag that a lot of the YouTubers been getting, the beautiful Christmas 3D colorful bag, but I didn't get that. This is all I got. So here you go. I'm so excited to show you what I got. My first piece. This is the piece that I wanted so bad, but I know I wanted one with an animation on there. And you guys, I'm so excited to show you my beautiful round zip coin purse. I've got Vivian on here, the Louis Vuitton mascot. I don't know why she's the mascot, and I don't know why her name is Vivian, but I think she is adorable, and I love the beautiful blue. I love the Louis Vuitton luggage that she has there on her canoe. And I don't know if that's a snowflake or what that is, but it's so pretty. Look at the little symbols on there, Louis Vuitton symbols. I have been wanting something like this and have completely held out for something with a picture that I did like, and I just thought, you know what, this one is special due to the fact that it has Louis Vuitton's mascot on there, Vivian. Let me show you guys the inside. It is gorgeous. So the blue here is just stunning. And then look at the inside. Oh, let me take this out. Look at the inside of this blue. It is so, so pretty. And I am so excited about this piece. I try not to buy it, and I told myself no more. But look at it, you guys. How can you turn this down? I know this piece is not for everyone, but I am obsessed, you guys. I am so obsessed with this piece, and I am so excited to get it. Okay, you guys, I have to show you my next piece. This was not a planned piece. This is something that I have been wanting, so this is kind of planned. I just didn't know when they were going to come out with the piece that I liked, with the beautiful pictures. So this piece, I've looked online over and over to decide which one I wanted or which one I was trying to talk myself out of, because I already have a Christmas animation mini pochette from last year, which is the Dame Azur with the doves, which, oh my goodness, to me that is, I love my Dame Azur. But this one here, I actually really didn't care which piece it was. Now I have the round coin purse with Vivian on the canoe, so I know I didn't want the pochette like that. So you guys, I went to the standalone Louis Vuitton here in San Antonio. We have 3 Louis Vuitton stores now. They opened up a brand new standalone one, and I checked to see if they had it on the website. All 3 of them said they didn't have it. All of a sudden I went there yesterday, and kapow, you guys, check that one out. This is the only one that they had, and I am loving this piece. I wanted the one from Paris, but 2 days ago when I was like, okay, I actually like the white on here, and then the snowflakes, I thought, you know what, I wouldn't mind having this one. And all of a sudden I go to the Louis Vuitton store and I just bring it up. I wasn't asking for it. I was just telling her, yeah, I would love to have the mini pochette, one of them, the Christmas animation, and she's like, I've got one. And she's like, it's the one on the ski lift. And look what I got. I am so excited with this piece. I try to talk myself out of it. I don't know why I got it because I don't need it. I don't have to have it. But when I saw it, my heart started pitter-pattering and I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. Look at that. Look how gorgeous this piece is. Look how cute Vivian is sitting in the ski lift. I thought that was so pretty. This is the back of it. It's made in France. I love the fact that it's not vachetta, that it is the color treated leather, and it just makes it carefree, which I am so excited about. And you guys, here we go. Let me show you the inside. It's not as vibrant as the blue, but look at that hot pink. Look how gorgeous that is. I am so excited about this piece. I am just so excited. I'm so glad I got it. I want to show you both of them together. Ah, look at that. Ah, this to me is special due to the fact that it has a Vivian on there, Louis Vuitton's mascot, and just how she looks. Oh, she's just so adorable. I am so excited about these two pieces. I can't wait to carry them and use them. I actually ordered a little hook so I can hook this on the outside of my bag, kind of like a charm. So I think that'll be, I don't want to hide it in my purse, so I figured buying a little hook and hooking it to the outside of my purse was just going to make it look so adorable. And then this piece here, I will sometimes use it as a catch-all in my purse, and also as a little clutch or a little purse, just take whatever I need and go. When I do that, I use a card holder. I can put my card keys in there. I can actually fit my phone, a lipstick, and off I go. And that's what I did with my other mini pochette. And check that out. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. If you have any questions about these two pieces, let me know. My essay actually found this one for me. It was out of stock, but he had connections, so he got me this. And I don't know if this was a return or what, but I got very lucky with getting this piece. So you guys, now that I overworked myself and I'm excited, but if you guys want to comment below, please do so, and click on that bell down there for notification for my videos.